In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your liftgate support on your Ford Focus. It's located on your hatch. Even though you have another liftgate support, it's always good to support your hatch when removing one side. So we have a pry bar in here to hold it up. You can also just ask a friend to help if that's easier. Pull out this metal tab or clip and push off or wiggle it off. You can slide it down too if that's easier. After you remove it, you're going to do the same on the top. I like to swing mine forward a little bit. Push this up and back, just like you did the bottom. And pull it off. All right, to install, we're just going to push it on like that. Make sure it's locked in. Do the same on the bottom. Now you can remove whatever you were using to hold the hatch up and test it out. You're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.